Good evening, everyone. Please don't worry about the background of this video. It is night over here. But I think this information is very important that we pass out through this video. Now, the video you are watching on the screen, I will need you to watch it for a while before I will explain it more deeper. But let me just give you the introduction of what you are watching. Now, the bandits, whether they dug tunnel or they converted maybe where erosion flooded under the road as their hideout, they dug this tunnel in the sense that it will become their hideout. They can hide weapons, drugs, and so on and so forth. And I think this tunnel can contain, up to 10 persons. You can see how these people are going to enter into the tunnel, and they were caught by the police. And this is happening along the federal road, Asaba-Onitsha road. Now, that place is Okpanam. Okpanam is like the federal capital of Delta State, Asaba. If you know Asaba, you will know Okpanam. There is no difference between Okpanam and Asaba. Take a look.
They don't move.
No.
And police don't fit do anything. They don't fit shoot them or anything.
No, they don't shoot like that. Only until they feel
Wait, police never follow them enter this gutter one
No.
day.
Police.
Police carry dagger enter. I'm on this one. One me. No, those ones they run.
See there.
Oh man.
Correct. Put your video. Hey.
Police don't. They don't catch this one. They must catch this one. They must catch this one.
For where?
Sorry, they must catch this one. They must catch this one. This one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Nobody there
Who is this Rambo? Who is this Rambo? This one no faster. No
cover.
So I will soon come out tomorrow.
Now, before 1 hour.
Which kind wahala with this? Open space. This one a main road though. No be say na inside the mobile or inside one corral. Open road.
Now you see, Delta State is my state, and a lot of things has been going on in this state, especially the rural areas, the villages in Delta State. I think so many villages are under siege of the bandits. I told you people some time ago how almost 2 months my people did not go to farm from the village where I came from, and the most unfortunate thing is that all these things going on in the rural areas, no news is reporting them. Has no news channel or all this mainstream media. They don't report what is going on in our villages. And sometimes when you come out to talk like this, people don't feel the pain you are feeling. People don't understand that your parents are being killed, your people are being killed, and in your villages, people are not going to farm. And at last, people begin to resort to self-help. People started helping themselves because they discovered that both the federal government, the state government, the local government, they are not interested when it comes to the issue of security. Some people campaign that they are going to curb the insecurity in their area, and now they have emerged. What are they doing about it? Nothing. Because maybe these people, someone above must have told them that, oh, anything about insecurity in Nigeria, remove your hand, because people who owns this country, they are in power, and when you do anything, they will come against you. This is happening in Delta State, in Lagos Asaba Road. If you know Lagos Asaba Road, when you get to Okpanam, going to Onitsha, that is Asaba-Onitsha, around that area, after Asaba-Ogbachuku, and not just in the federal constituency, that is where this thing is going on. That is where this thing is happening. And I'm saying it because people don't really know what is happening in Nigeria, from the north to the south, east to west. Just imagine, along the road, these people are not scared. If these people can have the guts to come out along the road to do something like this, what do you think that they will do inside the bush? This is not inside the bush, this is along the road. So what are they doing inside the bush? That confirmed what the ex-Nigerian soldier told us yesterday, that the plan of these people is to conquer the villages and the bushes before they will begin to come out inside it. And now, look at how police was pursuing them up and down. If it is people like ipob, they will open fire immediately. They will kill them. They will kill them. Now, police caught one person and they drove out. I'm trying to tell you what I observed. Police caught one person, they drove out. My question is, what happened to that tunnel? You see that place? I'll be going to that place next tomorrow. I'll be going to there to verify whether the tunnel, whether the police have knocked the tunnel, whether anything has been done with that tunnel. Because I believe people called police, you understand? So police came, they just run up and down. What happened to that tunnel? Because you saw how people were trooping into the tunnel, right? How people were trooping into the tunnel. So those people who enter into the tunnel, what happened? That is a question I think the police should answer. And I was trying to look into the news like Vanguard, all those things, to see if police have given report about those things. I've not called the police spokesperson in Delta State. I've not done that. I think I'm supposed to have done that, but it's already late, of which I'm going to do tomorrow morning, because such thing is something that people should talk about. Because for you listening to me, you might take it as if, oh, this is nothing. Absolutely nothing. That thing is not, everyone can just do that, but it's not nothing. It is a very grievous something. A very grievous something. If you don't take the issue of security serious, you know that you have no place to call your home any longer. So I'm saying this, that Nigeria is in trouble. Nigeria is in serious trouble. This is what is going on. And these people are no longer hiding what they are doing. You can see the audacity. You can see that these people, they have a mass authority upon themselves, and they can do things without nobody. You see, they, in the presence of it, they were videoing them. They were entering into the tunnel, and you can hear the voice on the background of the video that maybe this is where they hide their drugs. They hide some things over there. This is terrible. It's unacceptable, and it should be condemned. And a decisive action must be taken by the security agencies. And if they fail to do that, I'm using this opportunity to call the indigenous people who owns the land. This is your land. Don't allow people to come and spoil your land. Do something now before it will be too late.
They don't move.
You have to move on, get Ebuka. No.
And police don't do anything. They don't shoot them or anything.
No, they don't shoot like that. Only thing they shoot.
Wait, police never follow them enter this gutter one
No.
day.
Police.
Police carry dagger enter.
Some people don't leave up.
Oh man, this one one man. No, those ones they run. Ah, try.
See there.
Oh man.
Correct. Put your video. Hey.
Police don't. They don't catch this one. They must catch this one. They must catch this one.
For where?
Swear they must catch this one. They must catch this one. This one. Oh me. Oh me.
Nobody there.
Who is this Rambo? Who is this Rambo? This one no faster. No
faster. Come on.
So I will soon come out tomorrow.
Now, before 1 hour.
Which kind wahala with this? Open space. This one a main road though. No be say na inside the mobile or inside one corral. Open road.